that ugly bumper in there. He's too fucking good at that.
Oh shit, you're putting that on YouTube, aren't you, you piece of shit? You're gonna be a YouTube star. I'm gonna be some gay guy's fantasy. Well, a gay guy with low self-esteem. Notice the incredible reach of his penis, his bucket. Also has an incredibly large pair of nut sacks and is very bad at controlling his stick. His name is Carrie, not surprisingly, because it's a girl's name. And he operates like a girl. Not like a good girl, like a bad girl, one who needs to be spanked vigorously. Spank him, spank that bad Carrie. Look at that. And he's got that little gay Lieutenant Uhura thing hanging from his head because he thinks he's important enough that he has to have his phone always on him so he can speak constantly and continuously. Not like me, I'm very quiet. Only spoke when spoken to. Might want to cover up those little logos. It describes the company that we work for. He probably doesn't want this kind of positive advertising. Positive, it's all bad. Look at that. Look at that reach. Oh, he's dropping crumbs. Oh no. He smashed the truck. Oh, he didn't. Damn. Maybe next time. We can always hope. Really giving a positive spin to this fella, huh? Need a musical background. Maybe some of that gay discotheque music. I think he could stand to lose a few pounds as well. Look at him with his little Buddha belly. He's so gorgeous, he's all mine. That's right, you YouTube people, you can't have him. That gorgeous piece of man meat's all mine. Toodle, sweetie. Don't put my face to that.
Look at that faggot in the shorts. There he goes. What a faggot.
Get out there, quickly shovel. I'm faster, I'm stronger. Why would somebody want to watch this crap? Shut up, JP. I'm trying to shoot a movie.